Few things that you need to keep in mind while you are building your e-commerce website. Number one, launch it as soon as possible. Okay, give yourself a deadline. It can be 2 weeks, it can be 1 month, depending on how big the e-commerce will be. Again, I'm not talking about a marketplace, I'm talking about e-commerce. So if that's an e-commerce, give yourself a deadline of 2 weeks and maximum 1 month to launch your e-commerce. Number one. Number two, make sure the payment works really well. Okay, there is no bug, there is no problem with the OTP or anything else, and give as many options as possible, including PayPal. So that's number two. Number three, and very important, do not wait to launch all your products at the same time. You'll never be able to do it. So give yourself a break. If you want to, you can also launch your e-commerce just by uploading one product. You really don't have to upload all 50 of your products and wait for that to launch your e-commerce. Okay, so and number five, most important part, your e-commerce homepage is not the most important page for you. The most important page for you is a single product page where they can click and see the whole product detail. That's your most important product page. Okay, you focus on that, see what kind of information you're giving there, make sure the product photos are really good, give a demo video if you can. That would really help you. Last, here's a bonus part, and this is a bonus tip. Install Hotjar. Okay, you can just Google Hotjar, you'll get the plugin. What it does, it takes a video of all the visitors that come into your website, and first 1,000 of them are free. By the way, I do not have any affiliation with them, so I'm not trying to make money out of this, but install Hotjar. This will give you an overview of what clients are doing, exactly where they're clicking, where they're going, if they're buying the product, how are they buying it, they're not buying it, why they're not buying it. So this will really help you analyzing what your users are doing on your e-commerce. But more than anything else, go to my blog and see if there's anything else that might be helpful for you. All right, thank you, and get in touch with me if you think I can help. Thanks, bye-bye.